Next award, von Klitzing International Engineering Award, Leadership in Engineering. Engineering. Who will be the winner? Burak Büyükfırat. Here's the name of Nobel Laureate in Physics, von Klitzing. Can you keep it this way? He's an engineer. He started his career as an engineer. And he continued with many positions in various companies in Turkey and other countries. You can say a few words.
Thank you very much, Florian. I'm accepting this award on behalf of Şişecam. And I would also like to thank you for this great organization.
Thank you.
It has been quite enriching. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.